Okay guys, another day of Vlogmas. Today it looks like we're getting our winter storm. Wow, it was supposed to snow starting this morning, but you know how it goes, relying on the weather forecast. You never know how it's going to be. It rained all day today. Just started to snow probably about an hour ago. It changed from rain into snow, but starting to accumulate there on the top of the little overhang down there around the cat's kennel. Of course, it's in the yard. I drove home after my run today, and it was a little bit slick. Definitely something if you don't want to drive in it, don't drive in it, because you want to be safe. You want to know what you're doing. So I would recommend not driving in the snow if you're afraid to drive in the snow. But I came home and ate my dinner, come back outside. Now I can almost not see the grass down there. Now this is forget what storm the Weather Channel has called this one, but it was supposed to bring it's supposed to bring 5 to 7 inches or 8 inches of snow, 4 to 8 by tomorrow or throughout tomorrow morning. We'll see tomorrow. I'll be out there in it, running around, playing or doing something. You never know. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Merry Vlogmas.